I decided to get a bang, but this would have been
Listen long enough if you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? You already know what it is. It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Do y'all see the wig that's on my head right now? Isn't she cute? Today, we're going to be featuring a headband wig from Niawigs. I want to say thank you to Niawigs for sponsoring this video. Now, I already know, even I'm getting sick of it. I'm seeing headband wigs everywhere. I am sick of wearing them cloth headbands. I want to do something a little bit different. So lately I've been trying out different styles, and this is a style that I came up with today. The things that you can do without having to worry about the lace in the front. You just worry about the hair in the back. This wig is Jade Ash Brown Headband Wig in natural wavy, and it is 22 inches. It comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back. Also in the package, it comes with 3 complimentary headbands as gifts that you can wear. Love to have those on hand, but for the holiday season, I'm not thinking cloth headband. I'm thinking braids. I'm thinking curls. I'm thinking, you know, something a little bit different. But I want to show y'all how I got this fun holiday look. So if you want to see how I got this cute little holiday look, just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start with putting on this wig. I decided to do 2 braids and of course a little extra fancy little baby hairs. I can't be breaking off my hair by using the combs. Now you can definitely use the combs on your wig, not I, said the cat. So I'm going to go ahead and use my wig grip. Your wig will probably slip off if somebody pull it because it's different than a lace wig, but it still is going to be pretty secure. But girl, just don't get in no fight. Now you can go ahead and get that headband wig cap. I just never bought it because why, girl? I don't really care to do that. This is the Jade Ash Brown Headband Wig. The color is gorgeous. Oh my God, so pretty. And on the inside, we have 1, 2, 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back because girl, this ain't going nowhere. And I'm not going to be engaging the combs because the combs don't really do much for me. In the back, all you have to do is fasten her. Look at the color variations on this wig. She's giving you 1B. She's giving you blonde. She's giving you all of these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. This hair was washed and conditioned and air dried. I love this lioness sort of look, but I'm going to go ahead and curl her and make her look super cute. I'm going to use the Tresemme. Why am I breathing so? I'm going to use the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protected. Girl, I'm tired. I didn't even do nothing. If you're going to invest money in your wigs, make sure they stay healthy, girl. Use a heat protectant. And this one smells so good. It makes me think like, oh, girl, you about to go somewhere. Even though I'm not going. It got in my mouth. Ugh. I'm going to use my Conair flat iron. She's really affordable and bomb. I got it off Amazon, but I'm just going to go ahead and curl this hair. I'm going to curl it away from the face and give it a nice, beautiful sort of wave, perfect for the holiday. Then I'll be back. Okay, so our hair is completely curled. This braid is a very similar color to the hair on this head. So this braid is from Amazon. I think braids on like a headband situation, braided headbands are so cute. But this is like an elastic band headband wig. I'll leave it down below. Like I said, it's not the same exact color, but it's pretty friggin' close. And it has like sort of a bra strap sort of situation. Take the braid, place it around. She's not thick enough to cover this black band, so what I decided to do is take some hair from the back, and we're gonna be lazy about this because I don't feel like braiding any hair, so I'm just gonna twist the hair down, and then I'm just gonna twist my finger too because we're gonna pull it over to the other side. Make sure you have a hairpin on hand, and we're just gonna pull it around the head like this, like so, like that. We're gonna take a hairpin and just pin it to the braid. We're gonna go from the other side and we're gonna do the other way. And flip it around this way. And we're gonna pin her down on this side. I think I may have to pin it up here too somehow under the headband, like so, like that. And then I'm gonna take one more piece of hair from the back side and we're just gonna twist. That piece of hair is about to drive me nuts. Y'all, look at my little makeshift twisted headband wig. I did 2 twists in the front and 1 twist in the back. You can freak it any way that you would like, but I think this is so cute. Very much holiday. What do y'all think? We can also do like a half up, half down style. You just like give us something a little bit different. I don't want her to slide off my head though because she's not clipped in. So y'all, this is the finished look. This wig is so cute. It's versatile. The color, everything about it is amazing. If you would like to pick up this wig, the link is in the description box below. Y'all tell me what you think. Do y'all like the braided sort of headband look? It's a little bit tedious, I ain't gonna lie to you. But it's worth it to switch up your headband wigs because not everybody want to be wearing cloth on their head all the time. Sometimes you want to do something a little bit different. Y'all let me know if y'all try this out and tell me what you think. Link is in the description box below. Leave your questions down below. I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, bye. I decided to get a bang, but this would have been y'all tell me to stop. Sometimes the creativity just starts to take a turn.